Hey everyone, what's up? This is Cameron Mahaffey's Diving. We're gonna get to dive Shitten Sink today. It's gonna be our first time in here, so let's check it out. So what do you think?
Oh my gosh, what an experience.
Right?
Wow.
Was it worth the whole bunch of money you paid for this place?
Oh my gosh. And then some.
And then some, right?
What?
I told you, I kept telling you it's going to be like amazing, right? And
It's gorgeous.
I was like, this is not a side mount cave, it's huge.
And it's huge, yeah.
Yeah, massive. So I'm really glad you liked it.
Going off.
Yeah, I know, right? Just kept like, oh, I want to see what's here.
Oh.
That's what she said. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Oh, by the way, don't forget, like
And subscribe.
Alright guys.